Oh, I am Dr. Leanne Kaiser, and I'm an associate professor at Colorado State University in our School of Education's Adult Education and Training program. I am currently pursuing a fellowship in our institution's Faculty Institute for Inclusive Excellence, and one of the steps to becoming a fellow is to complete a project focused on inclusive teaching practices. I am working with a colleague on this, and we decided to create a toolkit that can be used by online instructors to increase inclusive practices. As part of this process, we needed to identify a mentor to work with, and we immediately thought of Dr. Murray Johnson, and we were thrilled when she agreed to serve in this role. Her expertise in issues related to education and diversity, equity, inclusion is well known in our adult education field. As well, she's one of the few people who is pairing that work with a knowledge of distance learning. And this is such an important combination in a world that is increasingly relying on distance learning. I want to emphasize that Dr. Murray Johnson is establishing herself as a leader in this arena, which is why we asked her to be our mentor. Not only am I honored that she agreed to share her expertise with us, but I'm confident that she will continue her current scholarly and applied work to make important long-term contributions to inclusion, online learning, and adult education. Thank you.